Hello, it's Lena Gordon, broker of record with Remarks Gordon Group Realty, and today we're going to talk about the stats. Let's start from the economic indicators. As you can see, real GDP growth is down at 0.2% now. Toronto employment growth is up 3.2%. Toronto unemployment rate is up 6.4%. And inflation in July 2023 was up. It was 3.3%. And to compare to June 2023, it was 2.8%. Bank of Canada overnight rate was stable in August 2023 and it's 5%. Prime rate in August 2023 in major banks was 7.2%. Mortgage rates 189, 689, 679. My clients were getting 6.4, 5.9. So talk to your mortgage broker to get the best rates. Total residential transaction. So we sold less properties this month to compare to the last year. We sold 5.2% less. Seasonal adjustment, it's just -1%. It's not big changes. Average selling price is stable to compare to the last year. It's 1,082,496. Seasonal adjustment compared to the last month, we have -1.6% change. New listing. We have more new listing on the market right now. We are up by 16.2%. And sales to new listing ratio, we are 43% right now, and last year it was 53%. And this ratio, it shows what market is it. Less than 40% we are on the buyer's market, 40 to 60% it's balanced market, and more than 60% it's seller's market. So we are heading to the buyer's market right now. Days on the market. Even though we have 16.5% more listings, we sell them faster. So days on the market is down by 17.6% in August this year to compare to the August last year. So that shows it's still that we still have demand and listings gets absorbed. And as we know, the different area, they are performing differently, and the different type of properties, they perform differently. So let's look at this slide. The most popular transaction was detached houses in 905 area. We sold 1,813. Second most popular was condo apartments, as usual in 416 area. We sold 1,086. If you look on the average selling price change over the year, we can see that 416 area in August this year performed much better than 905 area. The best increase we had for semi-detached properties in 416 area. It was up by 9.4%, and townhouses in 416 area, the prices were up by 6.2%. It showed that people are willing to move back to Toronto because majority of jobs are there. This actually depends on the price, because for example for detached properties on 416 area, the price went down by 0.8% in this August to compare to last August. So really everyone is going for semi-detached in townhouses in 416 area because it's cheaper and they want to live close to all the transportation and center of Toronto. Good increase we have for semi-detached houses in 905 area. They're up by 5.4%, and detached houses in 905 area, they are up by 3.8%. Again, we see that less expensive houses have more demand, and that's why the prices for them going up more. To summarize everything, I want to say that we don't have many changes on the market, and this is a good thing. Yeah, the inflation went up a little bit in July to 3.3% to compare to June this year 2.8%, but we still in better place than to compare to the last year, because June last year it was 8.1% and in July it was 7.59%. The central bank rate is still high and it remains at 5%. Yes, our sales dropped by 5.2% this August to compare to the last year. And, we have more listing on the market, so we get a bigger inventory. But from another hand, days on the market got shorter by 17.2%, and it shows that we have a demand. And yes, all the area performed differently, and most of the area we are getting more inventory, and currently it favors buyers the most areas. And this high demand due to immigration, but many are waiting because of the mortgage rate uncertainties. Rates may stay high for a year or two, but if you can buy now, it's better to buy now. The prices is still low, because when the rate will go stable and everyone starts to buy again, the prices will go high right away. And your mortgage payment will be still high because you will buy for the higher price. Contact me if you want to know more information. We always can put the personalized plan for you. It's all for today. Have a nice day.